In today's video, we're going to walk through how to start an LLC in Michigan step by step. What's up, you guys? My name's Ashley, and if you've been thinking about launching your business in Michigan, I know the process can feel overwhelming at first. Between the state paperwork, registered agent requirements, and all the extras, it's really easy to get confused. But don't worry, by the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to set up your LLC in Michigan, what forms you need, how much it costs, and which services can make the process easier. Let's get into it. Before we jump into the steps, let's talk about what makes Michigan different from other states. The biggest difference is cost. Michigan has one of the lowest filing fees in the country at just $50, which makes it very affordable to get started. On the other hand, Michigan does require an annual statement every year by February 15th, which costs about $25. That's lower than what many states charge for annual reports, but it's just still something you'll need to plan for. So, while the startup process here is fairly straightforward, it's the combination of low upfront costs and simple but consistent yearly requirements that make Michigan unique. Step number 1 is to name your LLC. The very first step in Michigan is choosing a name for your LLC. Michigan law requires that your name is unique and not already used by another business in the state. So to check, you can use the Michigan Business Entity search on the Department of Licensing and Regulatory Affairs. This lets you quickly type in the name you want and see if it's available. If it is, you're good to go. If not, you'll need to tweak a bit and maybe add group, solutions, or another descriptive word until you find a unique version. I personally don't like to go through the trouble myself, and I would recommend using a service like Northwest, LegalZoom, or Tailor Brands. They'll include a name availability check-in process. So if you're filing with them, you'll see right away whether your name works or not. Pro tip, even if your LLC is available, you want to check if the matching domain name is available as well. And Tailor Brands, for example, lets you secure your domain and build a website as part of the process so you can make sure your online presence matches your legal business name. Obviously, that is completely optional, but just something to note. Step number 2 is to choose a registered agent. So in Michigan, every LLC is required to have a registered agent. This is the person or company that accepts legal documents and official notices for your business. You can technically be your own registered agent, but that means your name and address do go on public record. For many people, especially if you're working from home, that's just not ideal. For Michigan's LLCs, having a professional registered agent just makes things easier. You won't have to worry about missing a legal notice or having your home address show up online. And that's where the power of Tailor Brands, LegalZoom, or Northwest registered agent really come into play. And I will show you how to get started with each of them, but let's move on with the step-by-step process. So step number 3 is to file your articles of organization. This is the official step where your LLC becomes real in Michigan. The form you'll need is called the Articles of Organization, and you'll file it with LARA, the Michigan Department of Licensing and Regulatory Affairs. If you're filing directly through the state website, you'll just create an account, fill in the details like your LLC name, registered agent, and business address, and then pay the filing fee. But if you want to use one of the services I mentioned, you'll just answer a few simple questions on their platform, and they will take care of everything for you. This is one of the biggest advantages of using one of these services. They make sure everything is filled out correctly so you don't risk delays or rejections. Step number 4 is to create an operating agreement. So Michigan legally doesn't require LLCs to have an operating agreement, but it's strongly recommended. This document will outline how your LLC is structured, who the members are, how profits are shared, and how decisions will be made. So even if you're the only owner, having an operating agreement is a good idea because it just helps separate your personal assets from your business in the eyes of law. It also looks super professional if you ever need to show it to a bank or investor. LegalZoom often includes an operating agreement template in their mid-tier packages. Again, Northwest and Tailor also let you do that too. Step number 5 is to apply for an EIN. So next you'll want to get an EIN or employer identification number from the IRS. This is kind of like a social security number for your business. You're going to need it to open a business bank account, hire employees, and file taxes. You can apply for an EIN directly through the IRS website for free. It only takes a few minutes if you want to do it yourself. Now, I know we talked about the actual steps. Now let's get into how to actually do it, and I'm going to show you using the services that we talked about. Let's start off with Northwest Registered Agent. Click our exclusive link in the description below. Then what we'll do is just answer a couple questions here, and they take care of the rest. So we'll type in Michigan. We want LLC. liability. You can do standard or expedited. We'll stick with the standard. We'll click company. Maybe we want to name it Glow from Within Wellness. Send a copy of lawsuits and legal notices to your attorney, yes or no. Business purpose, you can go ahead and type that in. Physical address you want on record with the state, so you can do their registered agent address, your mailing address, or specific address. To health coaching and life/mindset coaching. Okay, you can obviously add in more detail. Then you'll select if it's member managed or not. You'll add in the name, you'll add in all your contact details, and then you'll set up an account with an email and password. After that, you'll go into the business identity. So they've got business website. Again, this is all completely optional if you want to add this. So the business identity bundle is free for 90 days, but you will have to pay after that. You will pay $9 a month after the free trial ends. Then there's some optional items like, a tax ID, which is also known as the employer identification number, premium mail services, DBA name. Okay, so all you do is submit all of this, pay the fee, and they will take care of everything for you. Because for me, as a business owner, there's so many things to do. If you have nothing but time, you can do it yourself. But if you want to pay a small fee to have it done correctly, you can go ahead and use these services. Next is LegalZoom. So maybe you want to start your business right here. We'll click limited liability corporation. You can decide later, type in your state. Then as you can see, they have a couple of different options here. They do have a $0 basic plan to form your LLC, which is the articles of organization, which we talked about. You can name check your service, and then a tax consult, which is pretty cool. You will have to pay the state filing fees though, so just want to mention that too. They do have the pro plan where you get everything in the basic, but you get an EIN is included in this, access to 150 plus customizable legal documents, hands-on guidance from an experienced business attorney. Okay, so it's just a little bit more hands-on. So you can go ahead and do that. And again, answer a couple more questions and they'll take care of everything for you. And then lastly is Tailor Brands. So again, this link is down in the description below. All you do is type in your state, click get started. We'll go ahead and say Glow from Within Wellness. You can always change it later. Click next. Then you can go ahead and say where this business currently is at. If you're already in business, just an idea, taking the first step. When are you planning to launch? Maybe in a few weeks. What industry are you in? The health coaching industry. Are you planning to hire employees in the upcoming year? Not sure, no or yes. Your annual income goal. If you don't know, you can also do that too. You'll also add in your postal code and if it's online, on the go, or brick and mortar. Then this is where you can select what else you want. So you'll definitely want the EIN, the LLC. Maybe you want insurance as well, and then move on. And then here, what's cool is they do have a checklist that you can go ahead. Maybe you have done some of this, so you can go ahead and set that up. If you haven't done any of it, that's totally fine. You'll click none. They also have a 12-week coaching program that you can do. Then you'll enter in your information, answer a couple more questions, and then they set up everything for you. Again, these days, there's no need to do it on your own. For a small fee, you can have them set it up and make sure you're doing it right. Now, step number 6 is setting up branding and business tools. So at this point, your LLC is legally formed, but if you're serious about launching your business, you'll probably also want to set up branding and business tools. And with Tailor Brands, this is one of the biggest benefits right after you form your LLC. You can design a logo, create a website, and set up your professional business email. This just makes you look polished right out the gate. Obviously, branding isn't required by law, but in today's world, having a professional website and email is almost as important as the LLC paperwork itself. It's what makes you look legitimate to clients, customers, and even banks. Step number 7 is to understand ongoing costs in Michigan. So once your LLC is set up, you'll also want to know what ongoing costs look like. In Michigan, you are required to file an annual statement with the state every single year. The fee is $25 and it's due by February 15th. That's one of the lower ongoing costs compared to the other states. If you're using a registered agent service, they'll remind you of these deadlines so you don't have to worry about missing it. Lastly, lastly, let's talk about how much it actually costs to set up your LLC in Michigan. So starting off with the state filing fee, which is $50 one time, then the registered agent service, free for the first year if you go with Northwest, but $100 to $300 a year with LegalZoom or Tailor Brands. Then we've got the operating agreement and EIN. It's free if you do it yourself, or $50 to $100 each if you add them through a service. Then we've got branding tools, which is anywhere from $100 to $300 if you want a logo, website, or business email through Tailor Brands. The annual statement is $25 each year to the state. So in your first year, starting an LLC in Michigan will likely cost you anywhere between $75 to $500, depending on whether you go the DIY route or use a service like Northwest, LegalZoom, or Tailor Brands. If you add branding tools, it could be a bit more. So which service should you choose? And which one makes the most sense for starting an LLC in Michigan? Of course, doing it yourself is always an option, but if you don't have unlimited amounts of time, I highly recommend using one of these services. If you want the most privacy and best customer service, go with Northwest Registered Agent. They include the registered agent for free in year 1 and make sure your info stays private. If you want the comfort of a big name and access to legal resources, LegalZoom is the way to go. It definitely costs more, but if you see yourself needing contracts, trademarks, or attorney help later, it's definitely a smart choice. And if you want to look professional right away, Tailor Brands is the best bet. You'll have your LLC for your website and your logo all in one place. Starting an LLC in Michigan is actually pretty simple once you know the steps. You file your articles of organization, choose a registered agent, set up an operating agreement, and get your EIN. From there, it's about keeping up with the $25 annual statement and deciding if you want to invest in branding tools. If you're ready to get started, all of those links that we talked about, Northwest, LegalZoom, and Tailor Brands, are in the description below, so you can check out their current pricing and see which one best fits your needs. I do want to mention that these are affiliate links, which means we may earn a small commission at no extra cost to you. So if you do choose to use our links, we just want to thank you so much in advance for supporting our channel. It really helps us to continue to create free content just like this. This channel is all about helping entrepreneurs cut through the confusion around starting a business so you can focus on actually building it. If you loved this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel and leave any comments or questions below. We'd love to hear from you. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.